Welcome, we're back again, and today I'm here to talk to you about the new Filmic Pro application, DoubleTake. I have an older iPhone, it's an iPhone XR, not super old, right? It's from last year, but it's not an iPhone 11. And Filmic Pro had announced with the iPhone 11 that they're going to be coming out with a new application that's going to allow you to record multiple cameras at the same time. Well, let's see what it looks like and what it's actually capable of. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Demetrius Kapsalis. I put this channel together to just share my experiences with technology and cameras and phones and anything that I could think of with you. If you like the content that I have, please subscribe, click the like button below so that you can get it. So I'm pretty excited about this new application, DoubleTake. As you can click on it, it basically allows you to record two cameras at the same time. My phone specifically has one camera in the back, which I can use, and it also has a selfie camera in the front, and I can enable both of them at the same time. So as I pull up the phone here, you can see that I can enable to two cameras. You can select the different frame rate. It's pretty simple and intuitive in terms of using the application. You can confirm. And now you're basically able to see two cameras at the same time as we're recording. The other thing you can do is you can also change in terms of how you want it to save the files. If you want to save them as two separate files, one file together, or picture in picture. I think for me the best way is to keep them separate, because then in post you can pull the pictures together and do picture in picture or side by side or whatever else you want. I think this is pretty cool. It gives us now some more capabilities on our phone. It takes a phone that was somewhat old in some cases, but it's an iPhone XR, pretty powerful device considering, but any X series device, it allows you to now have additional capabilities. It improves the phone. I think this is cool. It allows us to take our existing devices, which, not everyone has an iPhone 11, and still introduce new capabilities to it. So I think what Filmic is doing is great, and it's improving our devices. Additionally, this allows now for a number of different applications of this camera. So if you want to interview someone and you want to have two cameras at the same time, you can do that. If you want to capture just a moment or a surprise where you're capturing the surprise as well as someone's reaction, then you can do that as well. In either case, it broadens the capabilities of our devices. Creatively, we can do more things. So thank you, Filmic Pro. Keep up the good work, and we're forward to see what else you're going to be able to do with our devices. If you have any experience using this application, definitely feel free to leave that in the comments. I'm interested to know how you're using it, what applications you've come up with, and maybe even sharing some of those. So thanks everyone. Have a good rest of your day.